How to fix Instagram chat message reels option change problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are not being able to see the Instagram chat message option, then first things first, make sure your Instagram application is updated to its latest version. To check, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then you can go ahead and update the app further. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General. Further, tap on iPhone Storage and navigate to Instagram and go ahead and tap on the Offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Next, open Instagram on your device and then tap on your profile icon. Now, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option. Log yourself out and then log back in, as refreshing sessions token sometimes restore missing chats or user interface. Also, in Instagram again, you can go ahead and check for various tabs such as message requests or general or hidden tabs. Especially for messages from people you don't follow, they might appear in these type of tabs instead of your regular chat. Also, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Also, make sure that you have not restricted or blocked that particular person, as if you have blocked them or restricted them, the message might not show. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.